a stick. Then a gingerbread house. Next you need some candy. And next you need some firecrackers. Last you need frosting. Now you know what to do. Let's get started. First you need to put frosting on the side of the gingerbread house. Put your graham cracker on the gingerbread house and hold it for 5 seconds. Now that you put the graham crackers on, you can put the candy. That's the funnest part ever. Now you put the candy on the graham crackers. Hey guys, can I eat some of your candy? No!
Hey kids, while they're making gingerbread houses, we're going to be playing a little game called
Have Not.
Have you ever dropped a cookie on the floor, looked around, picked it back up, and ate it?
Have.
You did that?
Have you ever gone under the tree, unwrapped it, looked inside, and wrapped it back up?
Have not. You did that?
Have you ever opened up a gift from a family member, looked at it, and said that you liked it when you did not?
Have not.
Ever drank some hot cocoa and burnt your tongue?
Have.
Yeah, Have you ever gotten a gift, wrapped it back up, and gave it to somebody else?
Have not.
You did that? Yep. So cool.
Whoa, where did you come from? Have you met Santa? Have not. Have you? Yes.
Thank you for playing with us. Goodbye.
And this is what gingerbread houses look like. It was great. Thank you for joining us. Happy Merry Christmas. Goodbye.